Now we are going to discuss about shelf management. The shelf management is a process which is actually defines accurate and attractive layout plans for your store, and the ultimate objective is for the shelf and of course for the complete store. So shelf management is all about creating attractiveness for the customer. It is all about the layout of the store. It is about giving more attraction, more appeal to the customer so that customers get attractive. So starting from the preparation, from the display, from the still the selling of the store, the good products in the store, it is all about shelf management. If you are able to manage shelf properly, ultimately you will be able to manage high turnovers and high sales, high profitability for your business. So the main objective of this shelf management is to have all articles in the store available on the shelf for our customers. So if your customer is A category customer or B category customer or C category customer, whatsoever is the segment of the customer, of course they are your target customer. So the objective is that all articles are available in the store on the shelf. So once the customer will be there on the shelf to buy the products should be there readily available for this particular customer. So after discussing this objective, we have the key importance of this shelf management in front of us. So the shelf management is one of the prerequisite for an appealing sales area. So the prerequisite to get the appealing sales area, the attractive sales area, is shelf management. And how you can done? It can be done to reach the sales target of turnover and profitability, because store wants to increase their turnover, store wants to increase their profitability, and the objective of more turnover, objective of the profitability can only be achieved if you have the attractive sales area, appealing sales area for the customer, and of course it is the prerequisite for the shelf. It is prerequisite for the shelf management. So successful and appealing product presentations is supported by effective shelf management as a conclusion. So the product presentation is properly associated with the shelf management. The best product presentations you have, the best shelf management you have, more effective product management you have, product presentations you have, the more effective shelf management will be there. And of course, at the end of the day, if the shelves are managed properly, effectively, efficiently, ultimately it will bring more business, more turnover, more profitability for the retailer. And you have must observed that it is always the focus at the end of the day that everything should result into high profitability and high turnover.